Welcome to another Google Merchant Center restoration case study. Just to let you know that we also provide complete Shopify web development solutions. So in case if you need a combination of Shopify website plus a complete Google Merchant Center solution, you can hire me and my team. Plus you can hire us for Google Merchant Center restoration plus Google Ads disapprovals, Google Ads suspension, Google Business Profile suspension plus Google Ads management, which we all do excel in as a Google party company. So now let's get started on this amazing case study for the account. So you can see over here that this is a website. Now this is a Swedish website. I have translated in English for you guys to see what you are looking around. If I'm going to refresh, so you may see yourself that there is an option of Swedish, which is the original version, and I'm going to go with the English version so we all can read over here. So now this is a toys website, primarily focusing on baby toys, children toys. You can see over here. So this was the website. Now this is an approved website. However, when the case arrived to us, they had many issues, and based on a 160 plus checklist, which I have discussed in many times in my other videos as well, which do a comprehensive checkup of your website, which including checking up of your about, track my order page, about us page, all of your pages, including content, unique content, content compliant with Google Merchant Center policies, high quality images, your pricing, your shipping policies, refund policies, a complete thorough look of your social media profile, a checkout, simple checkout, plus checking out your payment methods, everything to get it compliant, plus your phone numbers, everything to make it compliant. So I'm going to show you few of the things as well, so you guys have an idea. And we also look for the Google search console errors as well. So I'm going to show you few of the things. So let's get started. This was the client had two issues: the website or online store needs improvement. You may see over here, and apart from this, the also website has you may see over here that the website also has misrepresentation error over here. But the interesting thing was that at the first moment the website has website or online store needs improvement error, and then eventually it went into the misrepresentation. So this was the first error, and then after this it went into misrepresentation. With website or online store needs improvement, the GMC has limited product like this. However, when the misrepresentation came, all of the products went into the red mark, with no one being approved. So and also we did multiple appeals and multiple wider reviews discussions. So I'm going to show you during the process we also got one of our appeal rejected for misrepresentation. This was the turning point over here when the account was suspension shifted from website store online needs improvement to misrepresentation. So I'm going to show you a few of the audits as well and how we were able to get it restored. So let's start it with one of the audits. So with the first audit, we recommended adding the phone number and email both in the announcement bar to make it more professional. We also suggested adding the free shipping above 300 SAK orders, so you can see that this gets attention. Plus we suggested that please contact our customer care. So the contact or the customer care, either of the word need to be clickable so that people can go to the area where they can actually contact you. Also, there was an placeholder being found. The address needed a more improved structure. Plus, we also suggested adding a CO note in the about us file. Apart from this, we also suggested adding Instagram logo in contact section of all pages so that people can know we have an Instagram presence as well. Plus we also check their Instagram bio, email addresses. We only use company emails, not Gmail or not public information. Plus we suggested adding contact information on the track my order page. Shipping policy page needed to have a total delivery time, and this needed to be matched from all of the pages on the website, plus on your social media pages, plus on the Google Merchant Center page as well. And some in the fact the contact again was missing, and we educated them that educate the customers regarding shipping policy and total delivery time, how many times you're going to take to process the order, and in reality how much time it's going to take to complete it. Further contact us page links were suggested, plus the return and refund policy page minor changes, plus some disclaimer and structure needed to improvement, plus website speed needed to improvement. Plus we also find malware on the website, which is a very surprising thing. Usually this not happen, but this can found in your theme, plugin, or anywhere of your website, and this can also cause your Google Merchant Center to be suspended, and this can actually potentially lead to your website being suspended on Google Ads as well. So you may have to face double suspension. So understand please, these are very important things, and I'm going to show another audit as well. So you may see over here that the team did the changes for the audits. These are the audits updates. Plus we also found some that the return policy pages need to be the clickable. The speed error was still over there. The malware error was still over there, and in the third audit we see that different shipping days mentioned on the website, so all was not in a simultaneous position, which needed a simultaneous unanimous shipping time, delivery time. Plus we also suggested adding time zone with time, so there is no confusion. Plus the plagiarism we suggested need to be less than 10% for a compliant. Speed issue was still over there, and the malware issue was still over there, which we potentially got it solved. So now I'm going to show you other things as well, and other as well. At the Google party we have a dedicated support through which we were discussing regarding the case. This is a few of the communication done for those things, so I'm going to show you over here. These are the things which needed amendments. So this is the communication going on right now. Ask for the wider team to get it approved. Ask for the team. Due to this, the case would have to take the offline. And this was the moment where one of our appeal was rejected, which I told you as well. You can see over here that the appeal was rejected over here. So now when the appeal was rejected, so we categorically looked everything as well, because sometimes what happens is that the Google is waiting for the cache updates to happen, so sometimes the cache updates require time as well. So the process may take time on restoring a Google Merchant Center account. And now you may see over here that there were few errors on the Google Search Console profile, including not found pages were being over there, plus pages were being blocked by robots.txt. Now robots.txt is an interesting file. Why? Because the robots.txt is blocking the crawlers of the Google, so this can be confusion. However, we removed the robots.txt because we wanted a transparency, and we want all of the pages to be stored indexed through the Google Search crawler, Google Merchant Center crawler, Google Ads crawler. And the proper canonical tag is not a necessary requirement. However, if you are doing it for SEO purposes, this is going to be very beneficial. And knowing index tag, you need to ignore it. Pages with redirect need to be ignored, but these two need to be taken care of. Apart from this, there is a few video content which I'm going to show you over here. So just for an idea over here regarding the issue, you may see over here that we got the product needs attention pages sorted out everywhere before getting, sorry for the wrong video. Apart from this, you may see over here that this is how we were able to get it approved, and you may see over here that the products were now being approved. I'm going to show you over here that there were this was one of the problem which the client did tell to us, that although the account had been restored, but there was a problem when you go into the products and needs improvement section, where you may see over here that this was an issue since the account was suspended multiple times. So this was one of the issue. And here I am removing the not found 404 backlink. I'm not doing it, but one of my team member is doing it. So to get all of these not found pages need to be restored. So we discussed regarding this, and after this what we did was having a manual communication with Google team regarding this, and then we got this an approval where one of my team member got it. Hi Mohsen, thank you for patiently waiting while we review your Merchant Center account, and it's nice to connect with you again and forwarding this with our wider team. I'm glad to share with you that your account has been reinstated following a thorough review. We found sufficient evidence that demonstrates customers can have an enjoyable experience. As a result, your account is active and your offer should start appearing on Google Shopping shortly. Please allow it for 24 to 48 hours. So you may see over here that this account was manually being approved, not through a request review, but a manual review through the Google team. And you may see over here that the product which had a not approved error are now approvable, and now we are getting clicks as well on the product. So yeah, this is another successful case study. The account was originally suspended for website or online store needs improvement, and then eventually shifted to misrepresentation. So it's a double suspension case which we were able to restore. So if you have any Google Merchant Center account suspension, we can help you. We can help you with Shopify website development. We can also help you with Google Ads restorations. We can Google Ads management, Google business profile suspension. We can help. We should be your one-to-go company for all of your solutions. So yeah, I look forward working with all of you. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.